Okay, so okay, so update on the will a rack and pinion out of a Crown Vic fit and work with twin eye beams? And the answer is maybe. I haven't given up on it yet, but through the process of putting my engine together and the T5 and doing other modifications, painting all this stuff, I've sort of taken a pause on it. It definitely needs a lot more. I really need to have a frame that I'm not going to be using to sit there and keep trying to make sure, do measurements and everything on the geometry and make sure it's not bump steer. So I haven't given up on it yet. I know most of you are saying it won't work, and I'm going to try until I definitively can say no, but it is going to have to wait for quite some time. So what I did instead is I went manual gearbox, and I'm trying manual gearbox with these fat tires, which I'm sure I'll regret, because I had a 67 Fairlane one time, and one day I switched it to manual steering from power steering. If you guys know the cars, they're power assist. They have that steering ram, and these trucks for example are steering gearbox, power steering. So I went to manual, and it really helped out. I could feel the road, I could really go fast and everything, even though I probably shouldn't have. And I'm hoping that's what I'll get out of this truck, but we'll see about that, and I'll show you some modifications I did to that. But back to the rack and pinion, guys. So to do it justice, I decided to bail on it for now, and I went manual steering, which the video following this one will be, for Steel Beauties anyway, will be about what I went with instead. So yeah, probably won't work, but I'm just gonna definitively try. I'm gonna just make sure that I know it doesn't work. So there you go, update. Not too many of you guys were pining for that per se, but I did get a lot of interest on it on Ford F100 World, the Facebook group, so I just sort of want to follow that up. And yeah, so a lot more to come to the Steel Beauties. I do have quite a few videos I have not fully edited yet. One of them is sort of a quick run through on on how to redo a steering column. Like, by redo, I mean make things work off of Mustang and so forth. You guys probably saw a post, shorts or whatever I did on YouTube. So, and you guys probably saw that on TikTok or Instagram and all that stuff. So yeah, a lot of good stuff to come. Got some pulleys for my engine, a bracket system for alternator, and I had to make modification stuff, as well as stuff I did to my brake booster, or add-ons to my brake booster. But anyway, I digress. I'll end it here, and yeah, subscribe, follow wherever you're looking at this at. Like down at the bottom, ask any questions you guys have. Don't have much answers on the rack and pinion though. So alright guys, I'm gonna get back to work. See ya.